wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car wash kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you can achieve a clean and polished vehicle quickly without even needing water, thanks to the Trinova Gold Standard. This concentrated product can get you 40 washes for under $30 and is perfect for those who live in an area with water restrictions. It cuts down on detailing time and includes a reusable spray bottle. However, it doesn't have anything for the interior or tires. At number 9, Griot's Garage 58512 provides a commercial quality cleaning in your driveway. Its soap produces massive suds for penetrating stubborn grime, while the included terry weave towel dries with just one pass. The pail has wheels to make it easy to move when full. A grate in the bucket keeps your water clean, and the mitt doubles as an interior duster, but it doesn't come with wax. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Shine Society Complete is a good choice for someone who doesn't have access to a hose or water. The set includes 4 solutions: interior, wash and wax, glass and wheel, all of which are in convenient spray bottles for easy application. It's made from plant-based ingredients and safe for people and the environment. It all comes in a compact storage case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you want to be kind to the environment but can't stand driving around in a dirty ride, look to the Aero Cosmetics Oil. It can be used with or without water on any type of vehicle, on interior and exterior materials, and leaves behind a protective non-stick UV coating. It's eco-friendly and biodegradable, and wipes off easily without leaving a residue. It's free of alcohol and ammonia. Moving up our list to number 6, Armor All 18574 Premier comes with a wash and wax that saves you time when detailing your vehicle, since it combines 2 steps into one, making your job a bit easier. It even comes with 3 air fresheners, so your car will smell as nice as it looks. It includes an ammonia-free glass cleaner, a dash protector, and a tire shine that contains a conditioner. Halfway up our list at number 5, you can get that showroom look without paying for a pricey detail by using Jack's Wax Professional Easy Care. This all-in-one package stores nicely in the included heavy-duty 3.5-gallon bucket, so you don't have to waste time searching for all your gear. It wipes clear without leaving streaks and doesn't leave behind water spots. The wax produces a slick, glossy finish. At number 4, for automotive enthusiasts, Meguiar's Complete Care is a good choice for keeping their rides in tip-top shape. It includes a shampoo and conditioner, liquid wax, a high-gloss gel, detailers, 2 clay bars, an effective scratch remover, and more. It also comes with detailed usage instructions and gives tires a nice shine. The wax preserves your finish for weeks. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Trinova Complete Detailing Bundle is definitely expensive, but with a total of 19 components, it might just be the most comprehensive option out there. You'll get dedicated solutions for practically every part of your vehicle. It includes a stiff tire scrubber, cleaning and drying accessories, and leaves behind an impressive shine. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, considering the price and variety of items it comes with, Turtle Wax 50754 Ultimate is an exceptional value. If you use everything, you'll be able to wash, wax, shine, and protect your vehicle, giving it a long-lasting sparkle inside and out. It includes an odor eliminator, a dash and glass cleaner, and an effective scratch remover. And taking the top spot on our list, with its premium chenille mitt and microfiber towel, you can rest easy. There won't be any swirls or smudges left on your vehicle after using Chemical Guy's HOL 121. It comes with everything needed to whip your whip into shape. Plus, the bucket can double as a stool. It removes stubborn bugs and grime, yet is gentle enough for weekly use. It includes a wheel and rim cleaner. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car wash kits, or simply click beneath this video.